Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube intro and like your own logo as well. It's not going to be free. It's only going to be about 10 bucks maybe. Creating your own logo will be free, all of that, but the intro is going to cost you about $10. It can cost a bit more with some of the templates, but it's well worth it. We'll have a look at what I made the other day and then I'll go through how I did it. Okay, so that looks pretty cool, I reckon, for 10 bucks. And I'm going to use it like consistently throughout all my videos. I might even make something else in the next couple of weeks. But the first thing I did was download an image. So I just wanted like a triangle, abstract type, was it? Oh, geometric background. No, not geometric background, just geometric. So I got to images, just scrolled through. Something like, maybe it was like that. And then when I clicked over here and came up with other ones, we'll click on that and we'll go see more. And there was all of these type of things. And we'll click on this, see more. And so now we're starting to get into more of the ones I had. Well, that looks pretty cool. So that's how I found the triangle design for my logo. Actually, that one looks really cool. I like that. Okay, so then I just saved image as, save, we won't save that. So then the other, which is free, is Canva. That's where I create lots of my thumbnails for YouTube. So just create and design YouTube thumbnail. Uploads. So we'll see, there's the image there. Oh wait, we'll delete that. I just dragged it on, I think. Did I? Oh no, we'll just put it there. Actually, no, I'll delete that. Put it on. Then did I increase the size? I probably did, like so. Text, then I just added the heading. So what do we got? Delete, another one, unknown. Now you can go through all the different fonts up here. I like to use League Gothic because it makes things tiny, so then you can drag them out and make them really big without taking up a lot of space. Then I think I just used an effects, which is this neon, which makes it glow like that. I don't think I used this font for the delete, but we'll leave it like that. So then that was pretty much it to make the logo. Then you just download up here and it saves it to your computer. Then once I had that, I needed to make it a circle. So I went on this site, which is just crop to, what is it? All I typed in was how to crop a square image into a circle. Clicked on the first one and that's what I got. So I just selected an image. That was cropped. Let's see, delete logo. Well, that's a different one, so we'll just use this anyway. But as you can see, it's not going to work with this. So crop, and that's what it comes up as over there. So then you just download that and you have your circle logo. But as you can see over here, the whole picture isn't showing up. So that's not going to work. And that's not what I used anyway. So that's how I got the circle logo. Then the intro is this site called Placeit, and they've got these amazing templates. All of them are different. All of them cost a little bit, some more, some less. Let's check one of these out. I'll take that one over there. And all you do, you just place your logo on the template, type in, so here we go, upload image. We'll just put in circle cropped. So that's my logo that I created for free. Cropped, yep. And that's where the logo is going to go, just there. Now you can speed it up. I actually sped up the playback speed to make the intro shorter. You can type in game chat, you can leave it as that. You can change the font. And so upload slide, update. And this is going to show you what the slide looks like with the logo in it. We'll have a look at a different one. We're just going to page 5, random, still processing. And there's so many templates for so many different, this one for like a gaming channel. It's got like, oh yeah, that's actually cool, that one. I actually looked at that one. It like washes away. No. Actually, that one, we'll go this. Valentine's Day. Actually, no. This one should have finished by now, so we'll just click play. So there's you have your name. You could have your name there. And that's how you create your own logo. We'll do this one. This looks pretty cool. Exploding fire animation. Christmas. Burning logo. Alright, we'll try these. So yeah, this place it. It's going to cost you about $10. So look at that, you get your logo in there. Upload image. Where is it there? So over here you can change the flames, the smoke. We'll do this one as well. Oh, we should have made it faster. No, thank you. Update slide. Oh, you can change the music that you have playing during the slide as well. So we've got a whole list of different things. I think the one I went for was it the ambient or atmosphere. All right, so we'll play this. Ooh, so the smoke was blue. We could change the smoke to a bit of a whiter color, white yellow. I don't want to sign in. All right. Login? No, I'm not going to do it. Anyway, so that's how you would do that. We'll see if we can get another one up without having to log in, because I don't want to have to do that on this video. I'm sure it's going to happen. Alright, upload. Anyway, that's how you create your own YouTube intro. You can log in, but I just don't want to do it right now. You can actually see, if you just hover over them, what they do. I reckon they look amazing. A lot of them are amazing. I'm definitely going to get a second one. But I was happy with how the first one turned out. There's a few videos on YouTube saying how you can make one for free, but the free ones didn't come out as good as this. The templates on this site, Placeit, are fantastic for $10, and it's something that you're going to use in your videos a couple of times a week for a long period of time, so it's a good investment. So that is how I created my YouTube intro. All right, leave a comment down below what you thought of the intro and if you think it's worth $10. Some people might say it's not because it's just a waste of money, but it's an investment, so I think it's worth the money. If you haven't subscribed, hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.